Shay, everyone. First of all, I want to say a huge thank you for all your support and activity on my channel, Geest in Netherlands. Your likes and comments really keep me going. Today, I'm excited to show you my model railway in action. It's a busy day on the tracks. Take a look at the stars of the show. First, we have a Polish classic, the green SM42 locomotive from PKP Cargo, also known as the Stonka. It looks amazing. Crossing the bridges, right next to it, you can see a modern silver and blue passenger train, followed by heavy freight sets featuring DB cargo wagons and the iconic yellow Shell tanker. Watching these trains navigate through the tunnels and over the viaducts is truly relaxing. I hope you enjoy watching these trains as much as I enjoy running them. Let me know in the comments which locomotive is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the ride.